Euro USD, we start with daily chart. Okay, as you can see, the daily chart, we get this move. Now we want to see whether this is the start of the up move or not. And as you can see, based on lower time frame, we had the opportunity to look for buy. Okay, anyway, we move to lower time frame, we move to forward chart. The first of all, I mean, this is what we mentioned based on for the daily chart. And the first things we need to highlight, if we put this one relative to the previous top, as we can see, we have a divergence. That's why if we want to look for the next trade, we need to be quite careful. Maybe we get the correction here. Okay, because of the way it's moving. Based on 1 hour chart, will be more clear. Okay, anyway, we're looking for the continuation. The only thing is even the price tag the previous top. We want to see whether the price can break or not. And since we have a divergence, as we mentioned, if you want to look for trade, we need to get the correction. Okay, the reason is in case this one, it tend to a flat, then the price can either move for the bigger correction or reverse. But for the bigger picture, as we mentioned, based on the daily chart, we're looking for continuation, for up move. Okay. And if I move to 1 hour chart, this is what I mentioned. When we have this kind of the move, mostly either from here or if the price continue, we can expect the drop before we get the next move. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to be quite careful. And even right now, any buy with the flag or small correction we consider as a short term. And even if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. Okay, the only things I can see, anyone get a trade from this move, they should at least manage simply because of this kind of the move. Because when we have this kind of the corrective move, we can look for the sharp move, either up move or down move. Okay, but if we get a down move, this is where we have to know how to manage our trades. And for me, if I want to look for buy, either I wait. The best thing is we wait for the bigger correction or the price drop, and any trade based on lower time frame with the sharp move and flag we consider as a short term trade. Okay, and right now, can we expect the price break and continue? We can, but having a trade above the stop can be an option. But I don't like to wait. I mean trade, because if we move to 1 hour chart, maybe it's better we move to forward chart. We want to see whether the price can break this top or not. That's why if we get the correction, it can give us better confirmation. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup and we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And one more thing, if we get any down move, maybe we can look for this one. Then from there, we can look for buy either by having a trade above or we're looking for the trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.